fire works. The fire inside your belly works. Believe me, the fire inside your belly and zeal and zest for life works. Not only for me, but for you, for everyone. You want to be seen in life, even at a distance. You want to make noise, then give your best. That will manifest. That will show you how blessed you truly are. That you're a star, erupting like the firework. Blast, burst. Make them say wow like the finale. Make them rally. See, I was in the alley and I couldn't see the fireworks, so there was nowhere to go. So I found somewhere to go. I climbed up and up, and I spotted it. And I made sure I saw it. How can you make sure that you get a chance to see something, to learn something, to hear something? When I wanted to see Elliot Hulse down in Tampa Bay 6 months ago, I went down and saw him, and I made a way to do it. Then I went and saw another mentor, found a way, created it. What can you create and make happen in your life? Find a way to see it. Make it happen. I wanted to get a 4.0. I set the goal and I made it happen. I wanted to come to Pittsburgh. I made it happen. I want a lot more things in life, and I'm going to make it happen. I wanted to break the ribbon at the 5K. I made it happen. What can you make happen and see? See, Stephen Covey says, begin with the end in mind. Begin with the end in mind. See your goal achieved before you have it, and then make it happen. Enjoy the process to the maximum. Just like I'm about to enjoy the rest of these fireworks to the maximum. Stay fresh. Stay blessed. Peace.